Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of silver has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of silver can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of silver, what we have seen, silver is currently trading at around $19.381. Okay, and if you look at this particular chart, we have seen a swing has formed at this particular level, and from there we have seen it is continuously coming further down. Okay, and if the price didn't sustain this level, there is a higher probability that we can see it can move towards a level of 19 and then from there further down, or if it goes above this particular level, it can go touch a level of 20 and then further upside we can see for the price of silver. Before we move forward and explain you where it can go, if you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description, and a Telegram link also I have given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, now look at this particular chart. A swing has formed at this particular level, so probability will be high that it can go further down towards a level of $19.202, and if the price move further low, then we can see it can touch a level of $19.058. Okay, and once the price move further low, then we can see it can go further low towards a level of $18.595. Okay, and from there we can see it can move further down towards a level of $18.39. Okay, and once it goes below that particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of $18.074, and from there we can see it can touch a level of around 17. Okay, and if the price fall below this particular level, then we can see it at a level of 18.074, then we can see it can move further down towards a level of around 17.9, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of $17.553. Okay, and once the price fall below 17.5, then there is a probability that we can see it can move further low. Okay, but if the price sustain this particular level, what we can see, if the price sustain this particular level, then there is a high probability that we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $19.748, and from there we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $20.042. Okay, this $20.042, because all these supports, resistance are being tested here, so probability is very high. We can see it can go further upside, and a probability of going further high will be very much towards an upside and can touch a level of $21. And once the price sustain above 21, then we can see it can move further upside. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.